Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a workflow in Wrike step by step. If you want tasks to move through clear stages like to do, in progress, and done, yeah, workflows are exactly what you need. All right, first, go to your Wrike settings. You'll usually find this under your profile icon. So this is where all account level setup happens. Inside settings, look for workflows, click on it to see existing workflows. Wrike already has some defaults, but we're going to create our own. Now click the button to create a new workflow. Give it a clear name based on how your team works. I mean, naming matters once you have more than one workflow. Next, add statuses to your workflow. These are the steps tasks move through, like new, active, review, or completed. So think about your real process here. You can drag statuses to change their order. This controls how tasks flow from start to finish inside your projects. Once the workflow is ready, assign it to specific spaces or projects. This way, only the right teams use this workflow. I mean, it keeps things clean. Save the workflow and test it by moving a task through the statuses. So you can confirm everything works the way you expect. And that's how to create a workflow in Wrike step by step. Custom workflows help teams work faster and stay consistent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.